Top 5 most comfortable cars. Let's start with number 5, Lexus LS500. This LS500 is known for its quiet ride, reliability. The interior of this car looks like an artwork. Yes, combine the leather and the woodwork in this car, and it has this renowned insinuation sound system. So if you're a Lexus fan and you want the best, like the most comfortable Lexus car, you go for the Lexus LS500. Fourth one is BMW 7 Series. This is a German precision with smooth ride, like a fortress in that car. It's a combination of both luxury and sports. Imagine having two in just one car. So if you're a BMW fan and you still want to maintain that BMW standard and you love German cars, just go for BMW 7 Series. This is the most comfortable BMW car. The third one is the Range Rover Autobiography. This is the king of comforts. There's no Range Rover car that you buy that you don't feel that taste of comfortability. Is it about the refined interior or the commanding heights of this car? Sound system, top notch and all that. I don't believe there's any special comfortable feature you will see in another car that you not find in a particular trim of Range Rover. I don't believe there is. So it's the king of comforts. But let's leave it to number 3. The second one is Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The S don't set a standard. I don't see many Mercedes-Benz who are going to look say, why I never mention Mercedes-Benz? Mercedes-Benz S-Class is the most luxurious Mercedes-Benz you find anywhere. This is about the massage seats. This is about the comfortability itself. Many features I can never list on this video. Even all these latest S-Class, the rear seats are more equipped. There are more features on it than even those that are in the front seats, because that car is built for Oga Patakwatas. So you're supposed to be sitting at the rear, not you driving yourself. So there's less luxury features for the driver self. So you're supposed to be sitting at the back. It's luxury on its own, and I will rate it above any other car that I've mentioned. So before we move to the last one, if you want to see more lists and videos like this, follow me, share, like, and comment. And if you feel there's a car that you know that is more luxurious than all these ones or more comfortable than all these ones and it's not on the list, let me know in the comment section. And before you argue, make sure that you've driven all these 5 cars to be sure you can rate them above any of the cars I'm going to mention. So the first one is the Rolls-Royce. I know you're expecting that. Yes, Rolls-Royce. That's the benchmark of comfortability. It has the most luxurious unmatched rear seat features. Like, you can't match it. Everybody know Rolls-Royce. That's why 4 man no fit buy Rolls-Royce. New take ourselves no fit buy Rolls-Royce. New take fit still buy S-Class, buy Range Rover, but you know if you buy Rolls-Royce, you'll be new taker. So that is the most comfortable car on my own list. Bye for now.